Wednesday, the 4th of March 2026 with the Irish Nesta Kildare. I'm at the Kildare Yard area between the main field here, the front board and Nursery 1 and Nursery 2 area and the open stable. It's also the birthday of the legendary rock and roller Shakin' Stevens as well. He's 78 today, so I've been doing a talk about him in a while, but he's my hero and he's a true legend, and I've been following him since he started like over 40 years ago. So I was playing him in the car on the way to the stud, so he's my hero, Shakin' Stevens. So he's 78 today, he's born 1948, and he's the youngest of 11 children. But anyway, so this is, I'm not too sure who this is, the mayor here. I'm not too one, sorry. I have to get her name double down. And there's Mayor Nursery 2, and she's running a minute ago, but unfortunately I didn't get her. Her camera. And I think that dark mare, where's she going?
Over there, yeah.
Huh?
Don't over the, yeah, that's a tree over
there.
Yeah.
It's her there. I think that's Ocean Moon. That I had the pleasure of getting 2 hugs from there. She's looking at me.
What?
She looked at me there. I had the pleasure of getting 2 hugs from. I one on Friday and one last Friday and one last Wednesday. Their last week. 2 hugs last week, so I had the pleasure of getting 2 hugs last week. I had a bonus hug on Friday. And we were stood that's Friday, so I beg your pardon. Last Friday, and Geraldine came with us, and then she came again on Sunday. So within 2 days of each other, Geraldine was with us. So on Friday, and then again on Sunday, Geraldine was with us. Within 2 days of each other, and both those days I had the lovely hug with Ocean Moon. But the one on Friday was longer. Well, on Sunday she was a little bit distracted because her foal kept nipping at my jacket. I don't think her foal wanted me to go near her, so I think her foal wanted more attention.
Yeah.
I think her foal wanted.
Yeah.
I think her foal wanted attention. Ooh. I might be in for hello.
Yeah, I think so.
We're here, yeah?
Yeah.
Hi, girl. I'm going to get a third one for me today. I hope they won't get distracted by her foal again. This is
Ajuba.
What do I mean?
Yeah, her name is,
Yeah, I've unusual name. Hello, girl. Hello from me now, am I? Hello from you, am I? She's that one over there.
I don't know. Flaming, oh yeah.
Get her over the gate there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You do?
I think so.
Flaming! Flaming, do you want some rascal? Come on, Flaming! 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 My best friend! My best buddy! You want some rascal? Come on, Flaming! I think we'll get her as well today. Who's this one? me. So the mother can't hear.
Well, you want me to go closer, is it?
Because your mother won't be able to hear me, Liam.
Mm.
Or is that her over there? Well, that's her over there, isn't it?
Yeah, who? Ocean
Ocean
Moon?
Moon, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's over there, yeah.
She's eating the cake, eating the fence. Now, come on, girl, don't be doing that. Hey, Ocean! 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 Here, girl! Here, girl! Here, girl! Come on, grass! Ocean! Ocean! She won't eat the grass, Lynn. Huh?
Mm.
She won't eat the grass.
Mm.
Come on, Ocean. Girl, my friend. I gotta get third hug from her today, am I?
Yeah, I think so, hopefully.
Yes. You're my best buddy, aren't you, girl? You're my best friend. Oh, yeah. You're my best friend. You're just flaming there, look.
Mm.
Get to the camera to grab me. You got this? You got this?
Yeah, yeah.
You see her face there?
Mm.
She could come over to me. Come on over. She's nice just eating the fence and getting a hug from me today.
Mm.
Oh yeah. Come on, girl. Ocean. 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 Come on, go get a hug from me today, am I not? You're going to hug from her a lot today.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Too busy.
Too busy windsucking. You're too busy windsucking today, girl, are you? You're too busy windsucking today, are you? I had 2 hugs from this mare.
Oh wow.
2 hugs from her, yeah.
That's big.
I think I made the best.
Mood, it could be a nice that she's.
I think I made the best friend in her.
Yeah,
She's
good.
lovely, yeah. And see that bay mare there?
Yeah.
Her name, she were my best friends.
Okay. No.
Yeah, and she's called Flaming Princess. And she was a former racer.
Wow. Oh.
Yeah. But at the moment I can't get near her. She keeps pinning her ears back, so
Yeah,
She's
she's probably protected,
she's
yeah.
temperamental at the moment. She's like that for the last few years, so I haven't been able to get
Yeah.
near her at all for the last few years, so I'm a bit slightly concerned that, yeah. Because normally she can't. And I know, because I know her 4 years now. When I first met her 4 years ago, she's bravery in camp. I could get her, like, I could play stroke her like it's no tomorrow. And she would flinch and up to, you know, she's now, lately she's, I'm getting moody and temperamental, and
Yeah.
I've no idea what's wrong. So I'm a bit concerned now. So I don't know. Yeah. So I do miss all the pets and the interactions and the bonding and I do miss all that. Yeah. So I get more of that from her folds than I do of the mother. Yeah. So, yeah. So hopefully I'll get that back now soon.
Yeah.
At the moment I have a new friend now, Ocean Moon, so I had 2 hugs from her already, so yeah, so it's nice. Nice getting a hug from my mare, you know.
They're just gorgeous,
Yeah, it's lovely, yeah.
Just calming.
It's very calming, yeah. And they're very healing horses.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This is we have a few new mares added to the farm now, so that's to get to know new horses. That's how they get into.
Yeah. And you come out here a lot?
We're members here 9 years this year.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
Oh, should they know you well
Good
then?
regularly
then?
Yeah.
She's coming up to say hello to you again. Look.
Yeah. This is a different horse now. What's her name again? This one?
Dubja. Something like that. It's an African sounding name.
The unusual name. Yeah. This is Ocean Bliss. This is another ocean. There are 2 oceans: Ocean Bliss and Ocean Moon. Yeah. So that's a lovely name too, Ocean Bliss. Yeah. Some of them have little strange names. They're very hard to pronounce. You know? Well, they're running around. Yeah, they're very full of energy. There's a few of the mares were races and some weren't. Some of them were.
We don't work here, by the way.
We don't work here.
No, we don't work here. We just.
But we don't work here. I just have a good knowledge on horses. A very good knowledge on it. Only a few of them, some of them are really used for breeding. Some are races. Some of them didn't do so well on the racetrack, weren't so successful. Yeah. But we did have a very successful hurdler of the farm.
We don't work here.
We don't work. I just said that we don't work here. I just said we don't work here.
Yeah, I know. You say we don't. We don't.
Oh, sorry, I was meant to say
The stud.
I was meant to say the stud. Big one. The stud had a very big top hurdler, a Cavega.
Okay.
Cavega, yeah. Have you ever heard of Cavega?
I haven't followed the race in a few years now, so but
She's quite famous.
Yeah.
Quite famous.
Yeah.
She won in Cheltenham 6 years in a row.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. She was in that paddock over there a couple of years ago. You know.
Yeah.
That was her. You know.
Yeah.
Not today now. A couple of years ago.
Walking by a superstar and they're understated, like
Yeah.
And she's now
These are the
21.
futures.
She's now
Future
21.
superstars.
She's turning 22 this year. But,
Okay, so she's in her retirement years now.
Retirement years now. She's French, mare. Yeah. So got a last year. Yeah. So we lost one of her offspring there, Facel Vega, 2 years ago this year. This is birthday on Friday. This Friday he would have been 9. This Friday he would have been 9. So it would be probably difficult day to because I knew him as a foal when
What happened to him, Tony?
He was going stir crazy in the stall and he damaged his leg so badly that there was nothing they could do. So
That's sad,
he needed
isn't it?
him. Yeah. He's only 7. Yeah. So, yeah.
Isn't one of hers horses, sons or daughters, running in Cheltenham or something this year? Was there?
It was his daughters. His daughters.
Princess Vega.
Princess Vega. Princess is now retired.
Yeah, retired, is she?
She had a foal there.
Yeah. Did she run in Cheltenham?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
I think she did, yeah.
Not sure if she did.
She has one racing at the moment. Aurora
Vega.
Aurora Vega racing now at the moment. Aurora Vega. Yeah, I think she was her 3rd foal. It's still third. I think it's her 3rd foal. Yeah. Princess Vega was her very first foal.
Yeah.
Yeah. First foal. Yeah. We didn't see her as a foal.
There's knowledge for you, what?
Yeah.
No.
Incredible.
No.
Yeah.
No, we didn't see her as a foal.
You should be working
I
here.
know.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we didn't. We weren't here for when she was born. We only came here a year after she was born. That's she got here with her. She had her 2nd foal, which was the South Vega.
And do you have a favourite?
A
A favourite of all time?
favourite of all the horses
Yeah, of all time.
of all time. Well, the stallions, he has to be invincible. The
Yeah.
Spear. Do you see Invincible?
No,
Oh,
we haven't seen the stallions
No,
yet.
we-
oh, Vincent Spear
Yeah.
he turned 29 this year.
Wow.
Yeah, he's
main man.
Yeah.
But he retired 2 years
Oh,
from stud duties
Yeah.
after 21 years of service. Not longest serving stallion. When we came here 2017, he covered 140 mares.
That's
well,
tough.
He covered 140
I keep
mares.
telling-
And his fee at the time was 120,000.
Wow.
So 100,000 pop.
Definitely a celebrity. Of
About
the
3 a day.
stallions, Yeah.
Yeah.
God.
Yeah. He's 120,000
Poor
guy. He had the-
when he retired as well. But we weren't told anything, but because he's under private, but they told
Yeah.
us that they was. He's under private on the roster.
Okay.
Yeah, so he's from,
bloodline.
and yeah, he's my true inspiration. And they have a few new stallions. They have a new stallion, Arizona Blaze.
Okay.
Arizona Blaze, and I
Wow.
formed a bond with him. He took a liking to me. Actually, we first met I met him on the 3rd of December
Yeah.
down at the stables. You know,
Yeah.
they have to quarantine them.
They
They have to go into quarantine for about 2 weeks or 3 weeks before they go into the stable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he was up here a month before we first met him. So, and to go down to say the told us he had a new stallion. So he went down to the stables, and he's already in the stable. He was down number 4. And what happened? What does he do? He turns his head over to my direction. He turns his head. He turns his head over to my direction, not his direction,
Yeah.
my direction. So he looked at me. He looked at me, not him. So we didn't get a look in at all. So he fell in love with me. So we fell in love with each other. There's
Oh.
luck for a sight for both of us.
Oh.
Yeah. He's a gorgeous horse. He's down number 4. Arizona Blaze is his name. He's a
Oh,
babe.
we have to go and have a look.
Yeah.
And he's a beautiful horse.
And also Invincible. Invincible. Have a look at Invincible.
Yeah,
He's
but-
quite a spectacle.
Vince was a number 7. He's a number 7.
Okay. 4 and
Thank
7.
you.
Will we go and have a look at
Yeah,
it?
go have a look. See you now. Bye now.
They're probably
Lovely to meet you.
they're probably still out in the paddocks. They usually go in the stable around 3 after 3 o'clock.
Yeah. So down there, turn left.
Come there, turn left. Yeah.
Pretty
If Vince splits the far side, he isn't this side, he's the far side.
Far side.
Right.
Yeah.
Thanks
Bye
again.
now.
Alright,
See you now.
enjoy the-
Bye now. Nice talking to you.
Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? Didn't give too much information to it.
Huh?
Wasn't that much?
Talk to you later.
Wasn't too bad.
It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. No.
What?
We told them twice.
No, but you were encouraging as well. You're going
Yeah,
on
I
as
know, I
well.
know. But we told
About
them.
the Quebec and how many wins she had.
Yeah, we told them twice you don't work here. You know,
You did tell me about 3 times.
3 times.
But you were kind of encouraging as well because you're going about Quebec's
Well,
wins.
they seem to be interested. You know.
About Quebec's wins. You're going
Yeah.
about Quebec's wins.
Yeah,
Then you're going about Vincent's fee and
Uh,
what he was and we just came here. So you were kind of encouraging.
Yeah.
So I wasn't the only one.
no.
We were kind of both in it.
We're
We were kind of
both in
both
it,
going
yeah.
together at the same time.
Together, yeah.
So it wasn't all me, you know.
Yeah.
That's actually 3 times he told me we weren't working.
Yeah.
Not only twice, but 3 times he told me we didn't work. I was kind of slipping. I said we. I was meant to say I.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
the stud. I was meant
Yeah.
to say the stud. Like, it was a slip and I said we. I was
Yeah,
meant to say
yeah.
the stud. It was a slip of the tongue. It was a slip of the tongue. and I
Still the
said
song,
we.
yeah.
Hello, girl. Hello, girl. Oh, don't be doing that. Don't be doing windsucking. That's not very good for you. Don't be doing windsucking. That's not good for you. Don't be windsucking like that. That's not good for you. Maybe you say hello to me. Come down there. Look out some moon. You should go on to this one. Ocean! You're not going to give me a hug today, girl. Ocean! You're not get a hug today, no? You're not get a hug today, girl. No? It is hers. It is Ocean Moon, isn't it? It is Ocean Moon, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Ocean!
Yeah, it's her.
Ocean! Ocean! Will I get a hello today? Will I get a hug today, no? Girl! That's a mucky girl. Two oceans in the same paddock.
Yeah.
I think I get more look at this mare than I am with my...
How's it going? Paul.
Oh, hiya. How's it going? Ocean Moon and I have become best friends. Oh, yeah. She's lovely. I got 2 ocean. Oh, did she?
What'd you say?
It's a wire.
So
Yeah.
why she's a new now?
Yeah.
She only arrived today.
Yeah.
That Mary only arrived today.
Yeah. Yeah.
That Mary arrived today.
Oh yeah. Here.
Yeah.
What you called?
Sawaya, I think.
Joya.
Sawaya.
Soraya.
I think she
Come on over. Yeah.
Look, she's guarded her phone. Huh?
Yeah.
Can't you see it there, Liam? Could you not zoom into it a bit? You could not zoom into it there. I'm afraid I'll knock the camera over. She's lovely, Liam. This is the Liam. Savaya, I think he said Savaya. Yeah, she's guarding her phone. The students are. They're going into the stable now. Is there a mare in the open stable?
No idea.
Yeah. She's lovely, Paul. What's her name again? Savaya.
Soraya.
Yeah, she's up again. African lass, yeah. This is African lass.
Yeah. Anyway, get back from the gate, Henny. Get back from the gate. Will you open the gate for you?
I know you're alright.
Alright.
Swing it open here now. Yeah, that's why you should have been a ring. Yeah,
She's so much stuff now.
she is, yeah.
Yeah. She's a lovely mare, yeah. She's got information there now.
She is, yeah.
She's lovely. They just look at her.
Tanya, you can close the gate now.
This is African lass. Why did you close this, Lynn?
Huh?
Why did you close this? Can you do so?
Let's see. There.
Hello, Abigail. Hello, Abigail. How's Abigail? How are you, Abigail? go. Off again. Hello. There you go. Off again. Liam. Hello. There you go, yeah. You can't stay, Liam. Huh?
Yeah.
You can't stay. Can you? There you go, Gar. There you go, Gar. She's very calm today. Huh? See?
Yeah.
There's some shamrocks in here. There's shamrocks in the grass. There you go. She's very calm. She's going to pin her ears back. Huh?
Yeah.
But I first saw her in the branch, she kept pinning her ears back and she's getting really antsy, you know. Today she's very calm. Aren't you, girl? You're very calm today, aren't you, girl? Huh? The grass is nice and long, Lee. Nice and long. It's nice and long. I might pick it up, you know. And hopefully he'll give me some time with her before he collects her. You going off now, girl? Thanks very much.
What you call it again?
Abergin.
I'm gonna ask.
It's Abergin. There's a mare in there up in the stable. There's some mares in the barn, will there be? I think there's some mares in the barn. Here. Hey. African lass is coming in here. She's coming into the stable.
Oh yeah.
She's coming in the first stable. Remember the last time she's down there?
Yeah. Yeah. Some putting them another barrier up. See that like cork barrier like over there.
What's that barrier for? It's a barrier. What's that for? The barrier. What's it for? The barrier. What's it for?
The horse is kicking the wire.
What is it? Oh. There's a fuse about it that I'm seeing there. Oh. I saw that before. I think I did about it before. How do you explain?
Good, honey, yourself. Living the dream. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes yeah, you break down with the wire. Make get his foot cut. I was going to do the
I'll see you around.
See you now.
See ya.
See you now. Can.
Before they're picking the gates, that's why they have the barriers in.
Yeah. What?
Before they're picking the gates, that's why they're using the barriers.
Oh yeah, I heard. Yeah.
That's why they have the barriers, but some of them are picking gates.
I heard. Yeah.
This is the barrier.
Who is it?
Who's this?
Look at her tie. Look at her fence.
I have it here. A talk of freedom.
Oh yeah.
Because they can move to different stables. You're up here, here.
Here, hold this, will you?
Huh?
Hold that.
The cactus is the opposite side. The opposite side to that, to the other one, to the other case. This cactus, it's this side over here. Yes, yes, yes. Come in. Hi, talk of freedom. Hi, girl.
There you go.
Yeah, thanks. It's talk of freedom. If you put it on my mobile, should be one there. Remember, I hold it the right way around.
I'll wait till you get out. Get your glass, okay?
Remember, fill it both sides, Nanny.
Yeah.
Doing both sides.
I think so, yeah.
You did or you didn't?
Didn't any of this.
You should hold the camera for the phone right. Well, I don't want you starting that way. I want you to turn it around first before you start. It's a clock at the top.
Okay, ready?
Clock at the top.
Huh?
There's a clock on the top. Clock at the
So I
top.
haven't started filming yet, so I don't know. Depends when I start filming. You ready?
Yeah.
Introduce it. 3, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2.
Wednesday the 14th. Wednesday
It's at the side, but it still seems to be fine.
the work. Does it still work?
Yeah. Go on, Wednesday the 4th.
Wednesday the 4th of March 2026. There's Arsenal still there. I'm in the barn with the mates. Coffee freedom. You sure it's going to work?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Paul. Are you watching the women's football last night? No. That was good.
Was it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Got ahead. We were beaten 2-1.
Yeah.
Good. I don't know what's going on there. They beat Aston Villa as well.
I know. Are you in the food sport?
I am. Are you?
I am, yeah.
Oh, good.
Oh, sorry, I was going down to get some grass. I'm eating the grass, if that's okay, Tom?
Oh, yeah,
That's the reason the gate is open.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
When
Do you want me to leave it open here?
When I finish, I close it.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
Thanks, Tom.
Don't worry, you close afterwards.
Don't worry, I close it when I finish. We always do, don't worry. There you go, Tom. There you go. There you go. There you go. Take it from my hand today.
Yeah,
Take it from my hand today, because usually stuff take it from my hand as well. And for a change, to take it from my hand. I think she's getting used to me again. She's getting used to me now again, Dean. Huh? I think they start to get used to me again. Because for a while this year she wouldn't take it from my hand at all. She's only tried to take it if I put it into the stable. Huh? What's her name?
Tor. Kira.
Here. To affect us, you probably just reading the book.
Yeah. Oh, go ahead.
I think it's a man going past and made her nervous. She might just think it's a man going past. They were top of feeding probably. People down there.
Yeah.
Did you some African last summer? Huh? Did you some African
Oh, yeah.
over there?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
They did some market down
With the foal, yeah. With the foal, yeah.
The foal, is it?
Yeah.
Give it to Madison, is it?
Probably, yeah. You're on 4 minutes now on your phone. Full video?
I can go on to 7 minutes. I can go on to 7 minutes on my phone. It works for WhatsApp. If it goes on to 7 minutes, it works for me.
Yeah.
African last under. Is African was like some grass. She gave me some grass outside. Big fuck of eating hungry, isn't she? Big fuck of eating was all grass.
Yeah.
I haven't seen fuck of eating for a while after come to think of it, so I think I'll put some time of fuck of eating. It's the season, she won't take it from my hand at all. But for some reason today she is.
Yeah.
Because at the beginning of the year, she would like to take it and I put it into the stables, remember? Last year she's okay. She took it in my hand last year, no problem.
Yeah.
But this year, she took a while for her to take it off my hand. She always took it from the...
Yeah.
She took it a few times
Yeah.
from my hand. And this year, then she stopped. She's too nervous. She don't take it and put it in the stable. And now she's getting used to me again.
Yeah. Yeah.
She's going back to take it from my hand again.
Yeah. Yeah. So you're on 6.5 minutes now. Pause video?
It kind of up and down. Like her music kind of going up and down.
Yeah, yeah.
You could pause it there for a
It
minute.
varies, yeah.
Pardon me, Ulla.
Yeah, hang on.
Will you treat it there?
Yeah.
Talk of freedom in the barn.
This is Wednesday the 4th of March 2026 when the Irish National looked at there. Tanya is with Talk of Freedom in the barn.
Just keep the camera on a bit. That's more back.
Push it out towards the grass. Yeah, push it out towards the grass. Yeah. And then pull it to the left. Yeah, push it out. Yeah. She's a genius.
Now just keep the camera on her.
Yeah, yeah.
What time is it in?
5 to 3.
Some reason it feels later.
Yeah,
Doesn't it?
yeah.
Sorry.
Thank you. She's out there collecting grass for the horses.
Lovely. As long as she closes it behind
Close behind it, okay.
Thank you very much.
Don't worry, we will do that. No problem. Huh?
Close the gate.
Not now, after. Yes, yes.
I could go right close the door. I go down to what's her name? Spring Torrance. I don't think Spring Torrance has had anything. Come back to the minute. That's the chair I was looking for, you know.
Yeah.
Out again. Out again. Out again. Out again. Come on, grass here. Out again. Where's the grass? Where's the grass? Out again. Out again. Where's the grass? That fish just like it's cooked up in here. I think that she comes in here to get very nervous.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Yeah,
like she's more calm. No, she's more calmer when she's
Yeah.
outside. She's
just-
very calm out there.
she just doesn't like it anyway.
I know, she's very calm when she's outside. She's very calm when she's outside. You know?
Yeah, you're on 6 minutes already. 6 minutes 20 on your phone thing.
It's not moving down.
So I know.
African house.
Because the time is now 5 to 3. Okay.
Yeah.